Huh. Rua de Ténis. Ténis. Rua de Ténis, the street of tennis. Okay, let me give you some context. There's a station right there, monorail station. Over there is the MGM Casino, Lisboa Palace, and then this is the stadium for Asian Games. And I'm on a street called Rua de Ténis, which is kind of a new street. I've never heard of this before. The street of tennis. So does that mean they're gonna... Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Tennis. So does that mean they're gonna play tennis here? Somebody else just shared a video with me that they play tennis in Zhuhai, and I thought that was pretty interesting. I didn't realize it looked like very international and very cosmopolitan. So anyways, maybe somebody else might know more about this. There's a school, Escola de Squash of Youth. Huh. So this is a bowling school, a tennis school, and a squash school. Huh. Huh. Let's just see if we can figure what all this stuff is. Let's just see if we can. So this is our stadium right here, and then it's over here. It says it's a big parking lot. Squash and tennis and bowling. So okay, the school of tennis. So I guess it's like mostly kids will come here and go to bowling school and tennis school. Huh. I had no idea. And there's our Asia Games. And then this one is Centro de... I don't know what that is. Something about... I can't read the Portuguese. Usually I can read the Portuguese, but I don't understand those words. I guess it must be like this big sports complex area. What else could it be, right? So what are these things? It's another strange building. So let's just take a look at this window. So I don't know what this is, but looks a little bit Portuguese. There's like a really cool window right there. And that's a pretty cool window as well. Okay. So I don't know, this, and then straight ahead is the Macau Palace, so I guess we're gonna go down there again. Oh, School of Wushu. So they have a Wushu school here. Wushu is like the martial arts. So they have Wushu, bowling. There's all these schools on the street, on the Rua de Ténis. Huh. And looks like here's some kids right here that look like they might be going to and from, or those aren't kids, they have backpacks on, like, but as I get closer to look like adults who are just getting out of work. So straight ahead is the Macau Palace. Let's just see what this green one says final on it. So I don't know, is this like something connected with tennis? It says final. If anybody knows, let me know. That might change the dynamics of everything I know about this whole area. And then I'm gonna finish this Rua de Ténis street up here where there's the Macau Palace that's being built right now. So let's just see if we can navigate this on the sidewalks very well. So yeah, Rua de Ténis comes out over here, Macau Palace. Pretty cool. Huh. It's like a Guinness class. So yeah, Rua de Ténis. So there's Macau, there's Grand Lisboa, Macau Palace, Lisboeta, and then we have this little street right here that goes all the way to the station. So that station is something that people can come in and out of in the near future. So, huh. Oh, here we go. Station of the East Asian Games. So I think what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna we'll try to follow this down with the bike and just kind of see where this green building goes. And then right to the right of me is Grand Lisboa Palace. So yeah, this green building is pretty extensive. Lots of construction as always, all these vehicles that are always hauling stuff. So yeah, there's like, makes you wonder how long this has been here. Maybe this has always been here. It's just kind of off on this far end corner, so nobody really knows much about it. It's a nice courtyard, by the way. And that's the Grand Lisboa right there, giving you more context of everything. And I think what we're gonna do is just go up to the corner here, and then you can get a view of MGM. And I think that red and yellow, I think, is the electric company, I think. And that's the other side of Lisboa, Grand Lisboa Palace. And then, but this particular focus is this green thing. Huh. Okay, it looks like this is just basically going to be me following this road that looks like there's nothing over there except this beautiful MGM building straight ahead. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just construction hat right there. We'll end the video right here.